Welcome back to Tech by Pike. Today we have the Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio 2 in the house. This is a direct competition to the Apple MacBook Pro lineup, 14 and 16, and probably the Dell XPS lineup. This particular laptop comes with a 13th gen i7 processor, 32 gigabytes of RAM, 1 terabyte SSD, and a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050. So we're going to go ahead and unbox it. We're going to take a look at the chassis, the keyboard, all the I/O, and then probably turn it on and maybe do just a little bit of benchmarking, get a taste, and then I'll have some initial thoughts at the end. Let's get into it. All right, let's go ahead and open this thing. It looks like Microsoft has gone the same way as Apple. Instead of opening it up with a knife, they've given us the convenience of this tab here that I'm supposedly supposed to just pull on. And it should just open right up. Lift the box here. I'm really excited about this laptop. Nice and clean. I really like that. I'm going to put that off to the side here. And we're going to lift the laptop out of the box. Ooh, that's pretty heavy. We're going to set that off to the side. We're going to go ahead and lift up the cardboard here. It's kind of a barrier between the propaganda, I'm guessing. Let's open that up real quick. Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio 2. And then we got some safety and regulatory guides. We're going to go ahead and put that back. I don't think we need that right at the moment. And now for the power brick. Aha. I don't think I looked up the wattage of this power brick, but maybe it'll say right on it. Okay. All right. Move this out of the way. Let's go ahead and open this guy. Okay. Looks like it's 120 watts from what I can tell. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and pull this little tab here. Hopefully this will come off easily. Great. Okay. I'm going to put the knife away. I don't think we'll need that. And let's go ahead and open up the main event. Rip that there. Oh well. Okay. Can we open it up with one finger? Yes, we can. Oh, and it turns on automatically. Kind of like a MacBook. Wow, that is really nice and clean. I really, really like that. So this has a number of different ways to open up and has different modes. So this is the laptop mode here. But then if you kind of move the screen away from the bottom piece here, it turns into kind of I guess you could call it a studio right there, and that's good for content consumption, Netflix, all that. And then if you move it down, now you have yourself a tablet. Okay, let's go ahead and lift up the screen here with one finger. I'm gonna slide that over and see if there's much wobble, and there is not. All right, let's check out the keyboard. Pretty nice clicky sound, pretty decent travel. The trackpad is nice and smooth. The one thing I don't like about this trackpad is, this particular one, is there's not a lot of click on it. You really have to push down hard to get a good click. Anyway, okay. Keyboard deck is really, really sturdy. So is the top of the laptop. You know, not much has changed from the previous version, other than we have one USB-A here that wasn't there before, a couple USB-Cs, and then the mini SD card slot here, I believe, is new. You got your headphone jack, and then you got your proprietary power connector. Let me go ahead and grab that real quick, and it just snaps in like this here, and it's magnetic, so if you were to trip over the cable or something, it just pops out like that. So it doesn't move your laptop at all. It comes off fairly easily. So it's a nice added feature. The other thing that I wanted to look at too is the bottom here. So you got quite a lift on the bottom, kind of like a, I don't know, a base or something, I guess you could call it. You got two long rubber feet here, but it keeps, and then you got some fans here, look like some venting on the side, but it keeps this thing off the desk, elevated for good airflow. A couple things I did get though while creating this video is I got the Slim Pen 2, so I want to unbox that because we really want to test out the touchscreen on this. So I got that, and then I got a USB-C travel hub, and I want to check that out as well. So let's go ahead and unbox those right now. Oh, actually, it has this little pull tab to make it easy for you. You don't have to break out the knife, hopefully. Yep. Nice Windows logo. Got your cable here. And so you got a USB-A, USB-C, you got your VGA, you got an HDMI, you got an Ethernet port. Let's go ahead and open up the stylus here, or Slim Pen. Okay, you got some propaganda here. And then we'll just lift it up here. And there's the pin. All right. There is a magnetic strip right underneath the laptop here where it can be secure, and it's a pretty strong magnet, so it's not going anywhere. So you just put the laptop down, there's plenty of space there for the pen, and I'm wondering if it charges there. It might be battery powered too, I'm not sure. So we'll take a look at that, and I'll let you know. All right, we're going to weigh the laptop here just by itself, and we're at 4 pounds, 6.2 ounces. I'm going to go ahead and include the charger. in cables, 5 pounds, 6 ounces. I'm going to throw the slim pin 2 on there. And that throws on 0.4 ounces. So 5 pounds, 6.4 ounces altogether. On Cinebench R23, we got a CPU multi-core score of 10,786 and a CPU single-core score of 11,041. We ran Shadow the Tomb Raider in-game benchmarking tool where we were getting some decent FPS scores on medium settings. We also took a run at Hogwarts Legacy where we were getting 73 to about 76 FPS on medium settings. And this was just a quick glimpse of the benchmarking we're going to be doing. We'll do some more full length. We'll do low, medium, and high settings, and maybe even get to ultra if we can on some gaming. But this is not a gaming laptop, and so we're going to be doing some other benchmarking that has nothing to do with gaming at all, and we'll bring those in our next video. Okay, so I'm really warming up to the Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio 2. That's really long, and I have a hard time remembering all that. A couple things. One of it is the fact that the slim pin does charge underneath the trackpad here. There's a nice lip. It's got really strong magnets, and I just don't see this popping off in your bag while traveling around with this. So there's that. It has a number of different convertible modes. You have the laptop mode, you have this media consumption mode, I'll call it, where you can watch movies, Netflix, YouTube. And then you've got this tablet mode, and we really haven't shown this off in tablet mode very much in this video, but I plan to in the next video. I'll do some drawing. I'll show off my drawing and artistic prowess, which I have none, so that should be fun. So anyway, we got the laptop out on the Best Buy website for about $27.99, and that's without tax. Once we added the travel hub, the slim pin, and then I got this external slim pin charger. It's USB-A to USB-C. We're well over $3,000. And this comes with the RTX 4050 dedicated graphics card. Now, you can get this with the RTX 4060 dedicated graphic card without any of this extra, and that will put you over or close to the $3,000 mark. And then once you start adding all this other stuff, like the slim pen, which I think might be essential to this particular laptop since it does have that tablet mode, then you're well into $3,200 to $3,300 range. Is it worth it? You be the judge. I'm going to do some more benchmarking, some more gaming. Like I said, we'll check out the tablet mode, and we'll do some media consumption in the studio mode here. I'm always afraid I might break it, but it's a lot stronger than you might think. It's just me. So there you go. And look for that video very, very soon. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this from Tech by Pike, hit the subscribe button. We appreciate it. Helps the channel. Not only that, it gives us an opportunity to bring more videos like this to you. And for that, we thank you. We'll see you in the next one.